Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Soundcraft Ui16. First, ensure your Ui16 mixer is powered on and ready for use. Next, connect your control device, such as a tablet or laptop, to the Ui16 internal Wi-Fi network. This network is typically named Soundcraft Ui16, followed by some numbers. Once connected, open a web browser and enter the mixer's default IP address, which is usually 192.168.1.1. Now let's connect your audio sources. For microphones, use the XLR inputs, which are the larger, round connectors. For instruments like guitars, basses, or keyboards, utilize the 1/4-inch jack inputs. The Ui16 offers 8 XLR combo jacks and 4 additional 1/4-inch inputs, providing ample connectivity. Always start with the input gain knobs set to their lowest position to prevent sudden loud noises and protect your equipment. Next, we'll configure your outputs. Connect your main PA speakers to the dedicated XLR left and right outputs on the Ui16. For stage monitors or personal in-ear monitors, use the auxiliary outputs, which are also XLR. The Ui16 provides 4 auxiliary sends. Remember to set your master fader and individual output levels cautiously, aiming for a strong signal without reaching the red clipping indicators, ensuring clear sound. Finally, let's cover some basic mixing and saving. Use the on-screen faders to adjust individual channel volumes. Experiment with the 4-band parametric equalizer and dynamics processing available on each channel to shape your sound. Once you have a good starting mix, save your settings as a show or snapshot within the Ui16 interface. This allows you to recall your setup quickly for future events, saving valuable time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.